Hi P1 students. In this video, we want to talk about journals. Journal is a piece of free writing. It could be about any topics. The learning objective of this video is to learn how to write journal entries in YYPS. This time, we will write about my favorite toy. This is the toy I want to write about. You should know it already. Yeah, it is a straw rocket. What can we write about a straw rocket? You can write a story about it, or you can write how to make a straw rocket. Or you can answer some guided question in your journal as well. Let's look at the instructions here. P1 Journal, Unit 5. This weekend, you are going to write about your favorite toy. Start your journal by writing a title at the top of the page. Write the date at the top Write the page at the top right-hand corner. You can also write or draw the weather under the date if you wish. You can use the following questions to help you write your journal. Here is a list of guided questions. My favorite toy. What is your favorite toy? What does your toy look like? What special things can your favorite toy do? Who bought the toy for you? Why did they buy it for you? When do you like to play with your toy? Who do you like to play your toy with? And the last one, how do you feel when you play with your toy? If I want to write about the straw rockets, then my favorite toy would be the straw rocket. How does it look like? I think I'm going to show you in a sample writing how I will answer these questions. Let's look at other things about the journal. This is the journal cover, or this is the journal book. So your parents will pick up your journal book from school on the 29th of April. Once you get the book, you need to write down the information on the cover. Your name, your class number, your grade, P1, your class name, and name of the book, journal. Make sure your letters are touching the lines. You can tell that this picture is not showing the best example. If you can't receive this book for some reasons, then you can write a journal entry on a piece of lined paper. So now we open the book. So here we want to tell you that we will skip the first page and turn to the next page. After you turn the page, you will see a blank page and a page with lines. What you need to do is to glue or draw a picture of your toy on the blank page. After that, you can write a journal entry on the lines. Here are some reminders for you. Write a title at the top of the page. The top of the page, so that means you find the first blue line, and the middle of the first blue line is the top of the page. Afterwards, you find the top, write the date at the top right-hand corner. Then, write or draw the weather under the date if you wish. And last, make sure you skip on every other line. So this is my sample. My favorite toy. I put this title in the at the top of the page. And this is the date, 27th of April 2020. And under the date, I put the picture of the weather. So afterwards, I skipped a line. And on the third blue line, 1, 2, 3, I start to write my journal. My favorite toy is a paper rocket. It has a plastic straw underneath. It is mainly green, yellow, and blue. I can fly it with a paper straw. I made this toy because I was bored at home. My sister and I like playing with it after we finish our homework in the afternoon. It is fun to play with this toy because my sister and I can play together. So these sentences actually answers all the questions you can see from the instruction sheet. But you are more than welcome to write something else other than answering the questions. But they should be all about your favorite toy. So look at the handwriting. Are they clean and neat? So make sure when you write your letter, when you write your words are on the lines, touching the blue lines. Okay? So at the very last reminder, so make sure you put the title at the top of the page. Skip on every other line and make sure you put the date and the weather at the top right hand corner. Now you can start to work on your journal entry for this week. Again, the topic is my favorite toy. I hope you can choose another toy to write about. We look forward to reading your journal when the school resumes. Have fun with it. Bye. See you all next time.